From weather and climate prediction to our ability to provide personalized healthcare. Innovations that have been unlocked by AI are seemingly boundless.
I see the world moving towards intelligence through AI factories.
The term AI factory came from NVIDIA as a type of data center that will produce intelligence or token.
These AI factories need to come up in 6 months.
It's not a power problem, it's not a cooling problem, it's not a software problem, it's not a service problem. All of that has to be designed as a system.
If you design for today's rack, by the time that your building is going to get built, you're probably going to be too late and quite possibly be obsolete already.
This is the largest capital investment in human history into one technology. It's transformational.
AI is not the last frontier, but it's the beginning of a big one.